Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is known as tonsillitis. So first of all, let me tell you that what tonsils is. Tonsils are actually a lymphoid organ and it acts as the immune system's first line of defense against ingested and inhaled particles. Tonsillitis takes place when there is inflammation of tonsils. It is a type of pharyngitis. Symptoms includes high-grade fever, sore throat, weight loss, enlarged tonsils, difficulty in swallowing and drinking, and enlarged lymph nodes around the neck. Complication includes peritonsillar abscess that can be formed because of the recurrence of the infection. Causes includes that tonsillitis is actually more commonly taking place because of viral infection. 5 to 40% it can be due to bacterial infections as well. Treatment ranges from symptomatic treatment to antibiotics to surgical intervention, and that depends upon the severity of the disease and the recurrence of the disease. So if you are having any signs and symptoms at home and you are suspecting a case of tonsillitis, you have to call your WebDoc doctor for further assistance and immediate treatment. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Keep sharing this video. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.